Welcome to J&J's test video of SXMA421, a 99 Miata, has 91,000 miles on it, run drive, pretty nice seats. Fire up, it's easy to see. 91557. Runs pretty good. CD player's bad, but the tape deck works.
But we're equally proud of what's under the hood.
Window regulator works. Let's listen to the motor. Not too bad. Not a ton of blow by. There you go. SXMA421, 91,000 miles. As always, thank you for watching and have your pet spayed and neutered.